Okay everyone, welcome back. This time I'm going to do a lot of negative space. I'm going to try, and a little bit of color, and we're going to do that the Dutch pour way. So I want to start off with white. I'm going to put some white on here, and I have a spreading thing. Don't know how you call this thing, but it helps to spread out the paint. So that's what we're gonna do. Normally, I know you can do this with a hairdryer too, but then I'll have to put way too much paint on here, and then it all goes over the side, and there's a lot of waste. Then I get a lot of people complaining I waste too much paint. That's okay, guys. I don't mind. Okay, that's pretty much it. As you can see, there's silicone in here. Well, that's because there was a lot of silicone left over in the white. So I thought, you know, well, I'll just use it. I don't want to waste that much paint. So we're going to put that here. At least everything is nicely covered. There you go. Now we're going to pour the colors in, and for this I have a really nice fluorescent pink. Yeah, not a color you're used for me, but I'm going to use it because I think it goes really nice with purple. So this is Opera Rose from Winsor & Newton. And I don't think Winsor & Newton has a really nice purple color. They should do something about that. So this is Vallejo Fluid, artist quality. So that's the purple. Then I think a little bit of this color. This is the opaque burnt sienna. And then we're going to put in a little bit of dark brown, just, you know, for the contrast. And then I'm going to do the transparent burnt sienna. That's the colors I'm going to use. Now, maybe a little bit more purple, because I know a lot of people like the purple. Not there. Okay. So, mixing up the paint. And we're going to put that around and around, you know, just to make the paint that we're going to blow over the colors. Okay, here we go. Now, there's only a little in the middle there, but we're going to fix that. That's kind of nice. And I do want my little cellies, because I like the cellies. Especially that bit there. A little bit up here. That I like. And now I'm going to, oh, that is really pretty. Wow. I'll show you in a bit. That really sells up really nicely. But it really needs a little bit of white on top, as you can see right there. So we're going to give it a few drops. And don't worry, there's no resin on these straws. It's a new straw. That's nice. Well, okay. Okay, I can say this, guys. The thing is that if you have silicone in your background color, I would not do it, because I can see, maybe you can see that too up here, and it doesn't play well with the Dutch pour. So you really need, in the background, you do not want any silicone in it, because I can see that that sort of just ruins the whole look of it. I'm gonna really try and do something different here. Because now I got my hair hanging in there, I can feel it, but that's okay. Yeah, nope, this is not one of the ones I really like. This is, I love this, the center section of it. Look at that. That is really pretty, just this little bit here. I would cut everything out and just use this little bit there. That is gorgeous. The rest is, okay, I can't say the word. I guess I can't say it because kids might be watching, but I don't like it. And I wasn't going to say the S word. I was going to say the P word, the poop word. Oh boy. Okay. Well, I'm going to really go to work on this thing, but I don't think you want to see that, guys. Do you? Because I'm gonna bring more white into it. I don't think it's very pretty. I do like this center section, but it'll have to go too. And like I said, please don't put silicone in your background color. I'm glad I did this on a board. This is just a cardboard with a little bit of linen on top, so I'm pretty happy I did that, and not on a canvas, because I would have really scraped this one. And you know, I almost never scrape anything, because usually I can come in and fix something, but this is beyond fixable. I'm pretty sure. This is beyond fixable. Oh, see, that thing heard me talking that I liked it, and it just thought, I'll stay here. Now I am going to make a lot of paint go over the side. Whoops. Go away, hair dryer. And let's see what we can do with this. So I still have my colors, my purple, and my pink. And we're going to put some white on there, because that made such a pretty silk thing. And then I'm going to blow with my really, oh no, I'm going to pick my airbrush. Okay. I'm blowing it totally straight off the board. That is not good. It's got too much power, I guess. Let's see if we get those nice little cells. Yeah, we do. And I'm already thinking, what can I do as a transfer on top of something that is pink and purple, but there's nothing coming to me that I'm thinking, oh yeah, that's going to look good. Because I'm really not so keen on these colors. I know a lot of you are, but you probably will make something better than I did. Yeah. So let's see what happens when we do the same with a straw, so that you guys have a choice to do something with it. There you go. Get the big straw. Nope, not too happy with it. And I really think it's the colors, because when I see something like this done with turquoise and the nice sienna, I really get in the happy place, but not with this one. So when all else fails, get your balloon. Sorry guys, but this one is totally out of control. It really is. But I want to make something out of it, because I want to do something to it later. So we're going to press some more balloons into it. I have to, because I don't want to throw this away. I hate throwing something away, don't you? Even though it didn't, you know, turn into something that I had in my mind, we can still try and do something with it. And right now I'm sort of, if you have an idea what sort of transfer I can do on top of this, please let me know in the comments below. And I will pick one out of what you guys tell me to do, and I will put it on there. Okay, pressing it back in. Ooh, that's a lot of paint. Okie dokie, here we go. Not too much. That looks better. I think you really have to sometimes do that to make it do what you want to do. That one too. Now I'm dipping so much I took all the paint off the board. But then again, there is no silicone in the purple and the pink. I'm pretty sure of that. I didn't put that in. Okay, one more time. Nice clean balloon. I'm just not sure where all that purple goes, but okay. I can live with this. This is pretty, that I think it's nice and even, and pretty much good to put something on top. Now, if you let me know what you think I should put on there, I'm gonna do that before tomorrow. Of course, I do want a little bit of that, like that. Okay. I think we're gonna make something nice out of this. What would look good on this? It's not too ugly, but we want something on top. I'm really thinking purple flowers. Nope, I'm gonna go with what you guys want. So put it in the comments and I will absolutely pick one out and put that on there tomorrow. So thanks all for watching, guys. Tomorrow I got the resin video with the middle part where what I skipped last time, so I'm gonna put that in there. So thanks for watching. Love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle. Hou voor jullie allemaal. See you in the next one.